What's up, YouTube? First call of the day. It's gonna be a compressor changeout. It's gonna be a 5-ton compressor that it was only 2 years old and it fell for some reason. So I'll try to get you some shots of the changeout. See how it goes. Gotta recover probably about 8-9 pounds of refrigerant. I think it's all 410. I think that compressor might have failed because it's sitting above the space, like 3 stories high. Uh, the condenser didn't have a trap, so we strongly believe that it failed that soon because of that reason. Um, so I'll try to get you some video of that. Okay, see you in the job site. What's up, guys? So we're here in the job site. Um, We got a 5-ton, I think it's a York unit, 5-ton. The compressor's bad. We're getting ready to take all the refrigerant out. I'll try to show you the process on the way I do things. I have the Appion Megaflow hoses and stuff, so it'll be a lot quicker. Let me get set up and I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, so what we have here is the Appion high flow um, recovery. So I couldn't get the shredder valves out, so that's why I'm using core depressing tools. So they go from 3/8 line, this mini Y that they say, and the dryer. And also it goes to the Mr. 45 and down to the recovery tank. For instructions, they say it's faster to recover upside down from the vapor line. That speeds the process. So far, it's been running for about like 5 minutes or so. I recovered 4 pounds already. That was my pressure right there. I'm about to take a cold water to cool that tank because it's about to get, well, it's already getting hot, so I'm gonna bring it to cool it off. So I'll keep the process going and I'll update you when something's new. Alright, so we're still in the process of recovering. So far, about 20 minutes or so, it's been recovering about 9 pounds of refrigerant. We still have about 34 psi or so. Had to cool my tank down because it went on high pressure cutoff. The good thing about the Mr. 45 by made by 50s, it shut off when it got too high for the machine to pump. So I'm still 400 psi. It was about 500 a bit earlier. That's why it cut off. So I'll get back to you. So we're back, guys. The recovery process is done. Um, it took a little while. It would have been a little faster if we probably had the cores removed. It's always a little faster if you remove those. So we're about to embrace the compressor, put the new one back in. Um, so I'll get back to you guys when I start that process. Alright guys, so we are ready to take that compressor out. I'm gonna have Alexis. Say hi, Alexis. He's the apprentice. So he's gonna be in charge of unbrazing the compressor. So we have nitrogen flowing through the suction line, as we all should. Hey guys, so I got the compressor already in there. Right now, I set on Lexus to get me 7/8 speed trap. Um, Manual call for 1 1/4, I think. That's what I got. Turns out it's 7/8 here. So I'm just gonna be waiting here. I got the fan blowing some cool air on my face. It's about 90, 85. So it's probably a little hotter up here on the roof. So I'll get back to you guys whenever I'm ready to update you. Quick update. Got the trap already there. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but you know it'll work better than it did before, burning up compressors and stuff. So got the filter dryer already in there, ready to be brazed. Still gotta get that contactor taken care of. It doesn't push in. Somebody else came and checked that. They told them that they need a new unit. Well, true, they would have need one, but they just decided to replace the compressor, and here we are.